This is an official communication regarding the status of national television services. DTV will shut down permanently in 2 weeks. Recent findings have confirmed that prolonged exposure to digital television signals has resulted in widespread cognitive degradation, commonly referred to as brain rotting. For the safety of the public, all digital television transmissions will be discontinued. Effective immediately, analog television broadcasts have been reactivated and are now on air. Citizens are instructed to transition to analog receivers as soon as possible. Digital receivers will cease functioning once the shutdown is complete. Further updates will be issued as new information becomes available. Remain attentive. Stay prepared. Continue monitoring analog channels for additional instructions.
The government has confirmed that all digital TV services will be permanently shut down in 2 weeks after new research linked DTV signals to rising cognitive health concerns. Analog broadcasting has now been fully restored across the world, with engineers working to stabilize nationwide coverage. Viewers are urged to switch to analog receivers immediately and follow further updates on the reactivated channels.